Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are fine. If you are new to my channel, friends, so I politely request you to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell button. So whenever I upload new video, you'll receive immediate notification to you. So let's start now. So guys, this is one of my YouTube customer. He sent for repair this one CDJ Pioneer CDJ 850. This is the model. So let's check out what's the issue in this. He saw my YouTube video and he's from basically from Nagpur. He personally came and did this for repair to me. So let's check what's the issue in this. Connect the power. So I'll put it on now. I will put it on. It's on. See guys, this is the problem. Standby red LED light flashing. So let's sort out what's the issue in this. So keep watching my video, friends. So let's open this first. There are 6 screws, so we'll open that one. So we'll put it off first, take it out. Now let's open it. So guys, I have already opened. So we'll check now some voltages. So guys, we'll take some voltages on the ICs. So we'll check all voltages are coming or not. So I put this is as a ground. This I use as a ground. So now we'll check the voltages. I'll put it on now. I'll switch it on. And see guys, switching on power, we'll check on the switch how much voltage is coming. See on the switch point, on off switch point, so no, it is not at press, it is in off position, standby position only. So we are getting 3.3. okay guys, and so friends, anyhow we are getting 3.3. It means power supply is okay. And also on this IC, pin number 6, we should get some 11 to 12 volt, so 11.8 volt. So from the SMPS output is coming, okay guys, see, and 2 volt supply is coming. I mean, one is 3.3 and one is 11.8, almost 12 volt supply to this IC. But before pressing power switch, now I'm switching on the power switch now. So we'll check now how much voltage should come over here. 3.3 only. I didn't switch it on now. On this IC, pin number 16 is the supply pin. We must get 3.3 volt, and pin number 62. So power supply to the IC is good, but from as soon as the moment we press power button from pin number 45 of this IC, we should get some voltages. Okay guys, so now there is no voltage. Now I kept on pin number 45. So the moment I press this one, see, there is no voltage. So we must get some voltage over here. One more time we'll see. So guys, we'll keep on pin number 45, the CPU IC. So now we'll put it on. See, we should get some volt over here. When the moment I push the power button, see, voltage come and gone. So it means voltage should remain stable, but it is going off because there is something problem. Some sorting is there, or some shorting, or some opens is there. So we need to check it out. So for that we need to put the power off now first. So now we'll take some ohm test on the diode resistor, something. We need to check it out. Now we'll take some ohms. There is a diode over here. So we'll check this diode is okay. So there is no shorting. This diode is also okay. There's a coil. This supplies voltage. This is also okay coil. So this is also coil. This is okay. There are certain one diode is over here. We'll check everything one by one. This is the transistors. This is the NPN transistor, friend. This is okay. So the panel almost looks like, we'll check some PF. This is no shorting. This is 10 ohms almost, so it is okay. This is okay. So here is 5 ohms. This resistor also okay. So guys, this is the DC to DC converter IC. So here also one diode is there. So we'll check on the diode range. So this is a diode also okay. So there is no shorting. So guys, we'll check this also, that the pin is 16. So is there any shorting with the body or ground, something like that? No guys, it's 0.190. This is not shorted. So this okay. So I see it looks like okay. So now this almost some parts are okay over here. There is no any shorting. We'll check in this IC, is there any shorting with the pin, something like that? There is no. This is supply pin for this. There is no shorting. Almost good. Okay guys, this looks like this CPU panel looks like okay. Now we'll move towards this side. Our GFLB board. We'll move towards GFLB board. It's called GFLB board. So we'll check some, because a lot of diodes and transistors are also there. So we'll check over here now. So guys, we'll move to GFLB board. So some diodes are over here. Okay. This is okay. Okay guys, almost there is no shorting here. We'll check step by step. So these two are the transistors. Is there any shorting in the transistors? Nothing. This is PNP transistor. So this is NPN transistor. This also I think NPN transistor. So there is no any shorting over here. So now there are one more diode over here. This diode also good. So almost there is no shorting showing here. Some resistors value is here, 270 ohm resistor. 270 ohms. This is good. This also I think good, 270 ohms. Good. And here sometimes this resistor will blow off, but this time this is okay. So we'll check on the buzzer. This okay. This resistor also okay. So now we'll check this diode, friends. There is one more diode over here. Showing some. This diode is showing some abnormal, my friend. This diode is showing some abnormal. So what we'll do, see, this is showing abnormal compared to other one. This is, see, this is all Schottky diode. These are all Schottky diode. See, but here is different showing it is. So it's going too much high ohms. So what we will do, we'll just remove this diode and check separately, friends. So friends, we'll try to remove this diode. So we have removed this diode. So we'll check now. See friends, it's not showing anything. So I think the diode is open, I think. See, in both way it is not showing, it is open. So see, this is open. So this diode is faulty. So we'll replace this diode. This is a Schottky diode actually. It's not showing anything, see. neither this way neither this way. See, I shorted the port. So this diode is faulty, so now we'll replace this diode with a new one. So just clean this area. Before installing new diode, fixing new diode. This is the faulty. I got the new diode with me, friends. So yeah, I'll show you the new diode, how it is showing. This is Schottky diode. See, so this is okay. So now we will fix this one. So friends, we fixed the new, so now we'll check. See, this is good now. Rest is okay. Now we'll put it on and we'll check. So we'll put it on now and check. So as you've seen, we have changed the diode. Diode was open, so we replaced the diode with the new one, Schottky diode it is. So we'll put it on now. I'll put it on. See guys, it's working. See, it's on. So we'll just connect the CD or something like that. We'll connect the CD or we'll put the pen drive. We'll check the audio in also. So guys, we'll connect the CD. Sorry, USB. See guys, working. We'll connect the audio. See, it's working. This also right and left both is working. Okay guys, so guys, thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video guys, please like it, share it. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave it in the comment box. So thank you very much for watching my video. Take care, bye bye, see you next video.